My huge crystal order. Oh yeah, it's heavy. Has arrived.
Okay, I'm coming right now.
Let's take all the stuff out. Got a thank you card.
Okay, enjoy the gym. So pick me up and
A tarot card. And a thank you card. I'm not gonna share the discount code or my name. Alright, so let's take out, let's dump it out. Oh my gosh, oh okay. Whoa, whoa. Alright, where do we start? Let's start with the smallest thing. Oh my gosh. Oh, by the way, I paid for all of this. Alright, so this is a butter. It looks like a butterfly stand. Good order, a butterfly. Also, I ordered from Zaien Crystal. So let's get the second smallest piece. What is this? What is this? My hands are shaking from how excited I am. I think this is like a tower. Yeah, is it? Doesn't really look like one. Hold on. Hold on. Let's see. Yeah, that's, I think it is. Yeah, it's a tower. Okay. This is, I think, the lapillate. I think this is the lapillate. Oh, wow. You can see the flash. Look at that. Wow, nice. Let's get this piece. The heck? Okay. Ooh. Yeah. Ooh. Look at that. Looks like, oh yeah, the amethyst chests. Wow.
So, I'm trying to get an idea.
That's the other one. Beautiful. This one here. Put these somewhere else. And let's get this piece. What is this? Oh shoot, I know what it is. Oh, I'm very excited about this piece. This is definitely one of my favorite crystals. Here we go. Can you? Oh my gosh. It is a orca agate flame. Wow. This is amazing. Definitely one of my favorites. Wow. It's very heavy too. Let's see how much this package weighs. It's supposed to say 11 pounds. Right? This piece. I think this order was around like $240. I saved up a lot. I'm very good with money, I think. Oh yeah, yep. I know what this is. Diamond. Oh, I've been so excited for, wow. Look at that. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
Wow, this is beautiful. Look at the back, the front, wow.
His experience
Wow.
with shades goes back almost as far as mine.
Wow. That's exciting.
So that, yeah, I think it would be in everyone's best interest to have him on site and installed.
Ooh, okay, let's get this.
Possible, then I feel comfortable with the electrician also. And so I'm also trying to get a sense for.
I think this is a thank you gift. Yeah, it says thank you on it. Yep.
We all realize it takes some time for him to
looks like a necklace. My 20 pieces of tiger's eye. Oh yeah. So my last order, I ordered 20 pieces of tiger's eye, but I only got 2. So they gave me these pieces. Wow. Got a tiger's eye. Hold on. We got a tiger's eye apple and a tiger's eye tower. Wow. I love Zaien crystals. Tiger's eye and a thank you gift. Get rid of this. And I don't know why, but I love the smell when they come. Let's get this one. What could this be? Is this? Oh yeah, these are the palms. Yeah. We got a blue rapidite, a sword mixed agate, and a green amethyst. I also got a labradorite, so that must be from my card. In the order. What else? I'll do this one.
The shades will run whether they're on battery or whether they're wired.
Is this the big moss? What is this? Oh, these are the towers. Oh wow. This is the candy floral wand. And then this is the ruby zoisite tower. Another fluorite wand.
The shades are designed for battery, but they can also be converted over to wired.
Ooh. What is this? I do not know.
We have like an unknown wired.
This is angelite.
If we find the wires, then yeah, we'll splice the wires into the
Bumblebee jasper.
Constant power. But if they can't
Snowflake obsidian.
wires, then shades will just run on battery. And I think the lifespan on those batteries is like 3 to 5 years.
Labradorite. Look at that. Wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. That is very good. It's a really nice flash. No.
Right,
Wow, that's a really good. I really like that flash. Oh yep. The pink druzy agate tower.
It just means like that they're plugged in always power.
Plum tourmaline tower. What is this? Can you please tell me in the comments what is this? Let's open this. Let's see what's in here. It's white. I've been waiting. Yes! Oh my gosh. Just open. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Ooh. My heart stopped. Oh my gosh, I need to be way more careful. Jeez.
So your phone tube. Exactly.
Wow.
So it's
Oh
that
my
type of thing.
gosh. 248 grams.
Existing electrical wire.
$22. Totally worth it.
Just attach that.
This is what the stand is for. Oh my gosh, I love it. Wow. Let's get this one. I think these are the two huge towers. I got a couple huge towers, just for effect. Let's see.
I mean, again, no matter how the shades get powered, as long as the shades get powered, they can always
Oh, I gotta wrap these things up. Jeez.
it really doesn't matter how they're powered. They can be connected to a voltage wire, they can be batteries, but no matter what, they can always be connected to a so, I don't want to think that
Yep. Here's the first one. I believe this is moss agate. And I'm correct. Ooh, big.
Because then everything stays hidden, everything stays concealed, because, you know, the wires come right up the wall and go right into the shades, and you don't see any wires.
Second big tower. See what it is. Oh yeah. Forget the name, but is this dragon's blood? I think it is.
Okay.
Compared to the size of here.
If
Very
that's the case,
nice.
if we can get new wires from the outlets below and then up the wall.
Last one. Let's see. Oh yes. This is amethyst with lace agate. Very nice tower.
Back to the brains. That's what it is. Yeah, so again, don't think that the wiring.
I think all of these towers were like $16, $18. He's a wholesaler and sells them for very cheap compared to what other crystal sellers would sell them for. Last one.
Yeah, it does go back there. That's just the power.
I don't want this to be the last one. I want to keep unboxing.
It'll always talk to people, no matter how it's powered.
Jeez.
Yeah, absolutely. Alright, yeah, so I'll drop it all over and I'll give it a little I appreciate it, Al.
Ooh. Hold on. What the heck? Okay. Yep. Oh my gosh. Got more large towers. This is, oh, there's a chip. That's fine. Wow, this is big. Oh, this is heavy. Oh, it's already falling out. Never mind, we'll just keep going. We'll just keep going. Yep. This is, oh my gosh, this thing is big, wide, and heavy. Jeez. This is the candy fluorite. It looks huge. Oh my gosh. Now, for the last item of my order. What is it? I do not know. Is this another? Yes, it is. So here's the first one compared to the second one. I think this is fluorite, and then this is also fluorite. I think this one's just shorter. Alright guys, that is the order. So look at it. Alright, here it is. Hemimorphite slab. The towers. Druzy Mexican geode. Orca agate flame. 2 small amethyst clusters from Uruguay. A howlite diamond. A dream amethyst palm stone. Sardonyx agate palm stone. Blue apatite palm stone. Wands, Druzy tower. And all of these huge, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 huge towers, along with a bunch of other small ones. Here is the order. Wow. I'm so excited to put these in my collection.